Ready to ditch the project management chaos and scale your video agency using the free version of Trello. First, create a new board in Trello and name it something descriptive like Video Projects. This will be your central hub. Now, add your workflow stages as lists to do, in progress, client review, and completed will give you a great start. For each video project, create a card. Within each card, add details like the project title, due date, assigned team members, and a detailed description of the video's purpose. Use checklists to break down the project into smaller, manageable tasks. Think script approved, storyboard complete, footage collected, first edit, and final review. As the project moves forward, simply drag and drop the card across the lists, visually updating everyone on its progress. Keep all project-related files organized by attaching scripts, storyboards, and video files directly to the card. No more searching through endless email threads. Facilitate client collaboration by inviting them to the board and using the comments section to gather feedback and approvals. Streamline communication and keep everything in one place. And that's it. You've successfully set up your video agency project management using the free version of Trello. Now, go create some amazing videos.